Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and PC. Turn on developer options, enable USB debugging, and allow install via USB. This grants ADB access. Connect with the original cable and pick file transfer mode so the device exposes debugging interfaces. On your computer, install ADB tools and the OEM USB driver. Once they're installed, open a terminal and run a DB devices to verify connection. If your device prompts to allow USB debugging, accept it. This is the handshake that lets ADB control app permissions and packages. You now execute the middle steps. Refresh ADB by running a DB kill server and a DB start server, then confirm the phone appears with a DB devices. Once connected, install Fortnite or update via a DB install rpath/to/Fortnite. App if sideloading is needed. Next, grant runtime permissions through a DB shell PM grant commands so the game can read storage and access required APIs. This ensures Fortnite can store files and use debug hooks. Make sure package names match exactly and allow prompts that appear on the phone. You finish by rebooting both devices to settle permissions and services. Once restarted, launch Fortnite and confirm behavior. If the game still flags debugging or install issues, run a DB logcat and filter for the package name to see specific errors. This tells you why it fails. If nothing appears, reauthorize USB debugging on the phone, reinstall OEM drivers on the PC, or swap the cable and USB port. One key troubleshooting tip: always revoke USB debugging authorizations in developer options and reauthorize. That often clears stale.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.